In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings on eBay, whether you're planning on purchasing items from international sellers or simply prefer viewing prices in your local currency. Swapping currencies on eBay can make your shopping experience smoother and more intuitive. All it takes is a simple adjustment, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and sign in to your eBay account. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so by entering your email and password. Once you're signed in, you're ready to make your changes. Next, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the homepage. It might feel like a bit of a journey since the homepage can be quite long with many interesting deals and categories catching your eye. Keep going until you reach the very bottom of the page. Here you'll notice a section with various site options and settings. Look for the currency symbol or the option labeled Site Preferences. These options are usually accompanied by icons, making them easier to spot if you're scanning quickly. Click on either option, and you'll be directed to a new page with more detailed settings. On this new page, find the section that pertains to currency by selecting the Currency option. This might be nestled among other settings, so take your time to ensure you choose the correct one. A list of available currencies will appear, giving you the freedom to choose whichever fits your needs best. Whether you want US dollars, euros, yen, or any other currency, eBay has options to cater to a range of international shoppers. Once you have selected your preferred currency from the list, make sure to save any changes if prompted. This ensures that your settings are updated and applied to your account. Saving your preferences will ensure that you won't have to repeat these steps each time you visit eBay. With everything set, you are now ready to browse eBay with prices displayed in your chosen currency. This can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of costs, especially if you're considering cross-border shopping or budgeting for expenses in a familiar monetary unit. Whenever you navigate through listings or explore categories, you'll see everything conveniently converted to your selected currency. And that's it. You're all done. You've successfully changed the currency settings on eBay, enhancing your browsing experience and making shopping more intuitive. The ease of checking prices in your desired currency not only simplifies your online shopping, but also helps in comparing prices across different platforms effortlessly. Happy shopping, and I hope this newfound convenience makes your eBay journey even more enjoyable.